If you just bought the AirPods Pro 3rd generation and you work out with them, you might have this little issue of them falling out of your ears. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and you have to watch today's video because I have the perfect solution for you. Our WC HookZ AirPods Ear Hooks. Now, you might have seen this product online already, but you haven't seen our newest version, which we made one small tweak that makes the product 10 times better. So I'm not gonna talk too much. Let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you what we did different on this one. Okay, so these are the AirPods Pro 3rd generation, and the WC hooks right here, I got them in black. Inside the package, you will receive a left side and a right side. It's very important that you use them appropriately. The right on the right and the left on the left. The reason is, let me show you, is because they both have a unique angle, all right? If you use the right one on the left one, it's gonna feel like the AirPods are being pushed out of your ear. So what is so different about this new generation, about this new version? As you can probably see on the screen right now, this version is adjustable. So there is a copper wire inside of this hook surrounded by silicone, and this copper wire allows us to actually adjust the hook and it stays in place. It doesn't rebound back. So once you adjust it, let's say this is the first time you're gonna put this on your ears, as you can probably see this in the video, you're gonna put it on, adjust it, and then it's gonna retain the shape, so next time you don't have to adjust it again. But basically, if you have a larger ear, you're simply going to adjust it slightly larger. If you have a smaller ear, you're simply going to adjust it smaller. All right, so it's super easy to use. This is the right side. I'm gonna align the right side to the button on the stem of the AirPods Pro. By the way, these fit the AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3. The AirPods Pro 2 and 3 have the button as well as a volume slider on it. You can still use the volume slider. It is going to be slightly more difficult because of the cutout, but it's still possible. So you're simply going to match this button right here to the cutout and just slide it over. Make sure you slide it all the way because you want to keep the microphones exposed right here at the bottom. So once you've done that, the button is right here exposed for you to use, if whether it's the volume slider, the pause, the answer calls, or whatever you want to do with that. And you are ready to go. You're gonna do this on the left side, and that is it. I really hope that you guys like this product. And that is it, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.